In this tutorial, you'll learn how to design an interactive-looking FAQ card in Photoshop using custom shapes, perfect for websites, thumbnails, or explainer visuals. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a clean vertical canvas. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a wide rounded rectangle to serve as the main FAQ card. Set the fill color to a soft neutral tone so text remains readable. Now duplicate this shape and stack 2 or 3 cards vertically with equal spacing to simulate multiple questions. Next, select a plus icon custom shape and place it on the right side of each card, resizing it slightly to feel clickable. Highlight one card by changing its color to a slightly darker shade, giving the illusion that it's expanded. Add question text using the Type tool, and below the active card, insert